how to create a link for photo on Google Drive. Simply just open your Google Chrome browser, press on and go to your drive. Press on drive. Okay, alright. At first time create a new folder. To new folder, write folder name, press create. Now successfully create, and I'm just upload in here, new and file upload or folder upload. I'm select file upload, so select photo. Now it's uploading. Now successfully upload this. Go back and it just share your friend. Press on to share. So these are main things. Showing it to restriction. Select anyone with the link and I'm get copy link option. Press on to copy link and done. New tab. As you can see, when I'm press on this copied link, then showing it to recently uploaded photo. That's it.